Hello YouTubers. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but looks like you folks are going to be getting one. Yep, everybody's favorite, the old Detroit 453 Screamin' Demon Timberjack 450 is gotta save my butt here on a side project that I'm doing here. Hauling compost and to a customer here on the edge of town. They asked me to back in and dump a load in a low spot that they're landscaping, and I sunk my tractor and trailer. So now I need to get the skidder going and go yard myself out of that swamp hole that I went and found. So yeah, well, we're gonna see how this is gonna go, and I might as well bring you folks along for the ride, and whatever happens happens. So here we go. So we're gonna get the machine going here right away. I checked it over here off camera. I gotta go ahead, get it fired up here, let it warm up a little bit, let the fluid circulate. Got a soup can on the exhaust here, keep the rain out, it's always important. Okay, power on, throttle's free and clear, contact. Okay folks, I'll bring you back here once we get moving down the road here. It's about a mile from home, so we'll carry on. See, we're in over here, the tractor's stuck good. Well, anyways, we're down. Trailer's down, whatchamacallit, the homeowner, while I was gone, shoveled all the load off in the back there, so anyways, we're stuck in here good, so we'll really pull this out here. There we go.
Yeah, you dug yourself in a little bit here, eh?
Yeah, got a good hole here, but anyways, it's out.
It's amazing what a big tool like that does, eh?
Yeah. Well, it's got the flotation too with the big tires, eh?
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to go get another load, I would take another load.
Yeah, well, I'll just back in somewhere where the tractor's sitting, that's where I'll dump it there. So
Perfect.
you guys have to figure out how to spread it.
Oh yeah, that's not a problem. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
I'll pull it ahead and I'll come take off. We'll get the other load for you. Well, there we go. This adventure. Well, there we go, folks. Customer wants another load, or maybe more, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna go and grab another load for him while we're here. I'll leave the machine here in case I get stuck, and then, well, we're all set up now. Might as well keep going. So, anyways, yep, should have known better coming in here when there's cedar trees growing. In my part of the world here, you don't play around with loaded loads of gravel and topsoil. But anyways, they want to landscape their little hiking trail here, so there's a load down there, and I'll go back in this far. I'll just dump over here. So anyways, continue on. Well, there we go. What was there is now there, and now we go down there, down the road. So here we go. Another load on the road. Well, there we go, back home. My little misadventure there. Got the 450 jack here back in its spot here, kind of out of the way here. I got to get back into my back clearing here where I've been working on making a permanent fire guard around my property here, after some of you recall some of my earlier videos from earlier in the season here. So anyways, I got to get in there with the backhoe and clean out some tree stumps and such. So had the machine parked here where I'm standing, but I backed it over to the side here out of the way so I can get by here. So anyways, another misadventure, but do the best we can and get ourselves out of a jam when we get ourselves into one. So anyways, just like to say thanks everybody for stopping by, checking out another one of my videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciated, and we'll see you all in the next one.